Folks, today we're going to talk about three, not one, not two, but three small cap stocks with big run-up potential ahead. Now, over the past quarter, smaller stocks have begun a major run-up. The Russell 2000 has gained a jaw-dropping 26.96% during the past 3 months, while the S&P 500 has gained only 13.59% during the same time period. That's roughly half as much. And that's why many investors and traders are wondering if the small caps have overstayed their welcome and if it's best to move to another strategy or remain bullish on the smaller stocks. My answer to that is simple. Statistically and historically, whenever the S&P outperforms the smaller stocks for more than 1 year, the small cap stocks tend to catch up and outperform the S&P 500 for the following 2 years. This tells me that the rally in smaller stocks just started and there's substantially more upside potential, especially when you consider all the various sectors like electric vehicles, 5G, pot stocks, and other growth stocks that are just now reaching some level of maturity and growth. And these companies have many, many years ahead before becoming the next Amazon or Netflix. They were also small cap stocks at one point, believe it or not. And that tells me we have a golden opportunity with small caps for the foreseeable future ahead. And that's why today I want to focus on three smaller companies that I believe will see more upside as the market continues roaring for the next half of 2021 and possibly beyond. These three stocks don't appear to be overpriced based on fundamental value and appear to be primed for more upside potential and momentum. First stock, Snap. Ticker symbol SNAP. It provides technology, social media services. The company's principal product, Snapchat, is a camera application that helps people communicate through short videos and images. The stock is up 303% over the past 12 months. Can you imagine that? 303% in a year. Snap still has a lot of potential. It has a lot of runaway both with attracting new users and, more importantly, monetizing its existing base. The nature of the platform model remains a healthy chunk of the incremental revenue will drop to the bottom line, and that's the key. The resulting explosive earnings growth can justify the triple-digit P ratio multiples in a hurry. Expect more upside ahead. Now, I have got a price target of about $80 over the next 3 months if tech remains stable. Next stock on my short-term list, Bandwidth. Bandwidth, ticker symbol BAND. It provides cloud-based communication platform for enterprises, primarily in the United States. Offers data, internet, voice over protocols, managed network, and conferencing services. 1 year return is over 140%. Revenue continues to grow at a healthy clip with roughly 40% increase in 2020 and high 30s growth likely expected this year. As with other cloud names, investors have to pay up for the potential here, but there's a lot to pay up for. Price of $215 is reasonable over the next 4 months, assuming tech remains firm. Finally, my last stock, Canada Goose Holdings. It's a goose, I tell you. Ticker symbol GOOS. Canada Goose is a global outerwear company. Canada Goose, and they make really good stuff too. It designs, manufactures, distributes retail of premium outerwear for men, women, and children. 1 year return for this stock is almost 50%. This is a company that looks set to return to its growth trajectory. That projected trajectory was enough to push Goose to $70 back in late 2018. If growth continues, there's no reason it can't get there again, which suggests roughly 50% more upside from the current price. Price target of $60 is reasonable over the next 2 quarters, and possibly it has more upside to go. Technicals look strong, and I really like this stock. Ticker symbol GOOS. Folks, from 1993 to 2021, you would have lost 10% of your money buying and holding the S&P 500 during the day. But if you'd bought at the close and sold again right at the open, you could have seen 812% increase on your investment. Where did all the gains come from? Overnight moves. And one former $700 million hedge fund trader, he just revealed how he's exploiting these overnight moves on a handful of stocks every single day. Click on the link below to see how he's trading his next stock pick. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you're watching on YouTube. Stay ahead of the market by being the first to be notified when we post new videos.